Casio G-Shock time setting. This button, adjust button, mode button, search button, light button, compass button. Compass, light button, push the button, light. Okay. First time setting, adjust button, 3 second push, hold down. Okay, adjust. And Dhaka local time, this button plus minus, change time zone location, previous back, Delhi, Kathmandu, Dhaka is a local time. Okay, and next mode button. Okay, next 12 hour, 24 hour. This button click 24 hours, again 12 hour. Okay, next mode button, fresh, jumping second hour, next jumping hour, digital hour, time setting, my local time, setting my local time 12 p.m. Next button, mode button, fresh, next minute. Okay, next button, mode year. Next again month, set. Okay, mode button, again fresh, date. Okay, next mode key, alarm key, no problem. Complete digital time setting, set, adjust. Then now press adjust button. Okay, time setting. Now setting hands time, adjust button 6 second hold, first 3 second adjust, next 3 second handset. See, adjust digital hand setting. Okay, and phrase 1, phrase 2, second hands 12 position. Okay, mode button, face, plus minus, minute hands and hour hands 12 position. Okay, next mode button, subdial hands yellow color, middle 12 hour, middle side. Okay, next mode button. Okay, complete adjust, next adjust button fresh. Time, digital time and analog time same. Okay, thank you.